Hello, everybody. So, yeah, it's a long weekend, and it's time to bake something as I usually bake on Sundays because Sunday is baking day for me. So, this time I'm going to try for the very first time croissant, and yeah, just look at the process, you will enjoy. And yeah, maybe थोड़े बहुत कुछ सीख जाओ कि croissant कैसे बनते हैं. Though I'm not a chef, I also watched few videos and noted down the ingredients and yeah, tried for the very first time. So that's a huge step. So I'm proud of myself. On a short note, I took some flour and instant dry yeast, a bit of salt and sugar and butter and warm water and make a dough. That's what I'm doing. Keep it on a room temperature or in a warm place for at least 1 hour and wait for the magic. After 1 hour, the dough is completely soft, stretchy, and I think it's the perfect one. See. थोड़ी सी मालिश करनी पड़ती है to make the perfect dough, and malish, I think it's satisfactory, so you will enjoy the process. See how soft is this. Cut the dough into 5 equal parts, or I am trying it for the first time, so I'm making the small croissant because I myself didn't knew the result. For the next time, I will fill the croissant with some chocolates and something creamy, but for this time, just a small mini croissant. After half an hour, see the dough, it is perfect. It was so light in weight and it was perfect, I think. अगर रोटियां बेलनी ना आती हो तो don't worry, just make a small round shape. Try to make. My ones are not perfect one, but yeah, काम चलता है. And then we will layer each of these round shapes with a thick butter, and then putting one circle over each accordingly. Here is the last layer, and it's time to take this I don't know what to say, into refrigerator for at least 20 minutes because the butter needs to get set for the next process. So meanwhile, I will go back to my studio to set up some tutorials kind of thing for you. Today I'm using oil pastel over a wooden base, and I will paint a abstract landscape, so you can get some ideas how to use. And it was just a 20-minute session, I think less than that, so you can also try. For now, let's go back to the kitchen because the time is over, and now we will look at this. Is it ready for the next process? Yeah, perfect. Now we will cut them into as many pieces you want. I am trying, I think I cut it 8, I guess. Yeah, there were 8, right? So here is the main process, or you can say main step of shaping the croissant. Just roll them, and look how cute is this mini croissant. Here is my favorite part, greasing or just brushing the croissant with the egg, and mainly the yellow part. It will give the croissant a amazing color of brown, the baking color. So Wasim is also enjoying this process. It's time to put the little croissant into the oven to bake it into bigger one. So first you have to bake in 180 degree for 10 minutes, then for I guess 120 for 5 minutes, and then if you want the upper part more brownish, you can again put it for more 5 minutes. So it's complete. Hold, I'm so amazed by the result, and I can't believe I have made all this little croissant. They were so stunning, so beautiful. Look at the color. Now let's cut the croissant and see the inner thing, how baked it is. Look how puffy is this and how spongy. After finishing the croissant with chocolate sauce, it was perfect. I came back to my studio where I left earlier. For those who don't know what rule of third is, the rule of third is a fundamental composition guideline in landscape painting as well as in photography and other visual arts. It suggests dividing your canvas into a grid of 9 equal parts using two equally spaced horizontal and two equally spaced vertical lines. The idea is to place key elements and point of interest along these lines or at their intersections. See how perfectly the oil pastel color blends so easily on any base. Oil pastels are a versatile and vibrant medium that can be used to create wide range of colors. Remember that oil pastel can be layered and blended to create new color and effects. You can also mix them directly on the base, whatever you are using, to achieve different shades. Additionally, the texture of the paper or the base you use can affect the appearance of the colors, and you will love the result. I believe experimentation with various colors and technique is an essential part of using oil pastel to create beautiful and unique artwork. Colors can give a depthness in any composition. For in example, in this landscape you can feel the mountains are apart from far away from you and the grasses is just nearby. So it's all the magic of the colors and the perspective. Perspective is a crucial element in landscape as it helps create depth and a sense of space in your artwork. There is a big question mark when an artist know that their painting is almost completed. Knowing when a painting is complete is a subjective and often intuitive decision for artists. So few points are there which maybe I don't know, because I never feel my painting is completed, but I used to read some stuff. So some article says that when you feel that your artwork reflects the initial concept or version you have in your mind, or it has conveyed the emotions, and if you feel the composition is balanced and the details are satisfactory, it is connection, it has emotional connection with you, overworking, accepting imperfection, and fresh eyes, feedback, intuition aside. If you're uncertain, set the painting aside for a few days or weeks. Returning it to later, you can provide clarity on whether it's finished or not. For me, art is highly professional and creative endeavor, and there is no strict rules. Your own sense of satisfaction and the extent to which you have achieved your artistic goals should guide your decision on when to consider a painting complete. That's it for today. If you have some thoughts you want to share as an artist, please let me know on a comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day or good night whenever you're watching. Bye bye. Take care.